Today, we're diving into some awesome hidden screenshot tricks that can seriously save you time and space on your device. If you're someone who loves snapping screenshots, and let's be real, who doesn't? These tips are about to make your life a whole lot easier. First up, let's talk about taking those perfect screenshots without the status bar and navigation buttons ruining the vibe. It's super simple. Just head over to your settings and find the advanced features section. Once you're in there, look for screenshots and screen recorder. In that menu, you'll see an option to hide status and navigation bars. Flip that switch on. Now, when you take a screenshot, it'll be nice and clean. No more annoying bars at the top and bottom. Check it out after you snap your pic, it'll look way better. Next up, let's talk about something that's a real game changer. Head back to the advanced features, and again, go to screenshots and screen recorder. You'll find this handy option here, which is delete after sharing. So, what does it do? When you take a screenshot, you can choose to delete it automatically after sharing it with your friends or on social media. That means you can edit your image, share it, and then poof, it's gone from your gallery, freeing up storage space without cluttering your device with a bunch of screenshots. It's a total win. Now for the last trick, we're going to go back to the options and check out Save Original Screenshot. This one's a little different. It lets you keep the original screenshot even after you've edited it. So if you want to go back to the original later, you can. But keep in mind, this will take up more storage space, so use it wisely. It's perfect if you want to make sure you have the untouched version saved for whatever reason. And that's a wrap for today. I hope you found these tricks helpful and that they'll make your screenshot game a lot smoother. Also, if you're into cool wallpapers, don't forget to check out our Telegram channel linked in the description below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, take care and happy screenshotting.